Hey guys, what's up? I'm Lauren Kinsey. Welcome back to my channel. So it's currently my birthday and I just wanted to really quickly sit down and film this video because I just opened my gift from my mom and dad and I got an Apple Watch. It is the Series 3 watch in the color Space Gray, and I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you guys really quick. If you haven't seen my unboxing, my iPad unboxing and Apple Pencil unboxing, make sure you go watch that. It's different from this one. That one's I'm not really talking in, but I just want to really quickly film this video and I don't have the best lighting right now. Okay, got it open. So I really wasn't expecting this at all, so I'm really shocked. But okay, so I've never watched an Apple Watch unboxing, so let's see how this goes. Okay, obviously there's nothing right here. Okay, so this comes out. It says designed by Apple in California, and then okay, here it comes. Pew! You guys saw it before I did. Pew! There you go. Really beautiful. So it's just a screen in here too, so you really easily lift it up. And it says 1, 2, 3. So yeah, got this. It's really cute. I'm really excited to like play around with it and get apps on it. Really, I love the way that Apple makes their products and the way that they I'm putting it on. I'm just gonna put on the first hook right now. It actually kind of fits, so maybe I don't have a small wrist, but it's kind of pushback. But yeah, there you go. Excited. So in the little package that comes in it, I'm pretty sure you probably have instructions. So we have these papers which show you how to change the band, and yeah, it's basically the directions. So that's exciting because I have literally no idea how to set this up. Like I said, I've never watched a video about it. And then open this. Open this and let's see what's in here. Oh, what is this? I think it's just another band. I'm not very sure. But I think it's just another band and yeah, another black band. Bro, this is how you know I literally don't know. Because I'm sorry I couldn't be more informative. Oh, it's a different size band. And then in here there is something that I'm feeling, but I don't know how to get it out. Can you really open it? Like, am I doing this right? I know there's a charger in here. Oh, I think, okay, I think this is like the charger. So like, I'm pretty sure you just put it on here to charge it, but I'm not sure how you get it out of here. Oh, patience is a virtue. So you just pull, it was in here. You just pull it out, I'm guessing. Just like this. I could be doing this so wrong, probably. But there you go. So yeah, that's nice. It's just the coolest thing. So I came with a little charger. Little charger, and I guess you get to have your own box, and also comes with another band. So this is a medium large band. I guess I have a small one on, so that's neat. And yeah, I think that's everything in here. Like I said, this is probably that's everything, but oh, I should probably turn it on. I don't even know how to freaking turn it on. Maybe it's dead. I'll insert some footage of me turning it on and all that. But yeah, like I said, this is just a really quick video because I just got it and I just really was excited and I wanted to open it, but I knew I wanted to do a little unboxing, so I'm sorry if it's like quick and like not informative at all. So I just wanted to really film this really quick just to document this time when I got my first Apple Watch, and also just say thank you to my mom and dad for getting it for me, and Landon probably gave me an idea, I don't know, but thank you so much and I really appreciate it. And yeah, it's really cool. I really like it. It's very sleek and probably gonna wear it every day, honestly. I hope I know how to figure out how to turn it on because I really don't know. Oh, it's turning on. Turn it on. It's good enough. Turning on right now. It's taking forever to turn on. I don't really know why, but okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. It's turning on. I'll let you guys know if it's on. Oh, there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. I just wanted to really just put this up for memories. And so yeah, thank you so much for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.